We ain't swimming, boys. We're skiing. On $100 Facebook Marketplace jet ski, bud. It ain't a diamond, but it's rough. So this is my 1994 GTS Sea-Doo. Picked it up for $100 off Facebook Marketplace. $200 into this bad boy thus far. She runs. Don't know anything else about it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What do you need from Harbor Freight?
Why do you need to go to Home Depot?
I asked you first.
I need a die grinder from the old freight house.
The old freight house. You gonna do some trading?
You can do some trading.
You gonna give them some money? They gonna give you some shit.
Yep. Why don't I just push it in the hole? Why is that like that? That's not supposed to be like that. Sometimes you gotta make things worse to make them better, let me tell you. Man, I don't know if you guys see my last video, but I was like, I definitely need to find better hobbies. I really do. I stand by that statement. So you really want to mix a little bit of that dye. Man, do I got a stir stick anywhere? I would say this one's not in too good a shape. That was probably way too much. So we gotta work fast here. I wasn't really paying attention. Alright, so let's just dab that in there real nice and good like. We're just gonna do this the old fashioned way. I just don't got a good feeling about this. I don't know why. I mean, this is what the professionals do. I should know because I'm a professional. Yeah. Yeah. Owen? Sand to this part where the damage is. But yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. I got vinyl for the seat. That just came in. If you see, there's definitely like a ghost mark. Could be from the torch I'm using. Don't know. Got the back pads off. I'm going to take out the rest of these rivets after I get cleaned up. Epoxy those in. Epoxy the holes in. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah, take this decal off. And I am not a jet ski professional. Please just do this stuff at your own risk. Do not copy what I do because I'm an idiot. Thanks. Bye. Alright, so I had to call him back up.
I get this one on. And I just have to make that one.
Just the hands.
I have to make that one. I get this one on.
I'll fuck it up.
Probably will.
You got the thing? No pressure.
See ya. You want the dot?
There's C.
Yeah. Pause.
Pause. Take pause.
Yeah.
Here's the other 2 jet skis I got. Not in the best of shape. I don't know what I'm doing with them, to be honest with you. This one's a SP, Sea-Doo Bombardier. It actually looks newer. I want to say like 95, 96. And then we got, I left my boat cover blew off, and cracked lid over here is holding up just fine, I guess, but I need to get that cover back on. Yeah, and this one's an XP, no fear, not at all. You know what I mean? This is it. So, not missing. I'm wondering if I can use this front bumper. Oh, we got multi-screws here. We got the Phillips. So yeah, I'm gonna take that part off, and yeah, I'm gonna put that on that one. That thing's almost ready to go. I just got the seats to do, and I got some other things to do. It is so green. I'm so glad. I freaking hate winter. Winter sucks. All right, so I rhino lined it anyway. So I just started thinking though, after I painted it, is it gonna crack on me when I try to smush it on there? I don't know. Hercules bed truck liner. We're gonna see how that goes. Next is gonna be the seats. Shabam! I'm hoping this goes a lot easier, because that other one kind of sucked. Oh. You scared me. Wow. Hi, guys. So here she is. 1994 GTS Sea-Doo. It's got like a 500cc engine in it, bud. Made in Canada. And restored. Kinda. So we're gonna fix this, of course. There's some things that need still done, but here it is. $100 jet ski off Facebook Marketplace. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Rhino lined, because this paint was terrible. Amazon vinyl, $10. Everything, all in total, probably about $200 in this bad boy. I still gotta do some silly things to it, but yeah, this is how I did it.